You know that feeling when you wake up, open your laptop, and boom, chaos hits? Emails, meetings, deadlines, all fighting for your attention, and your to-do list? It's longer than your Netflix queue. But here's the thing, it's not your fault, it's the system. We're all drowning in tasks, notifications, and digital noise. But what if you had a personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and gets smarter every day? That's AI for you. A superhero with no cape, no mask. Just smart algorithms designed to make your life easier. So let's check out 9 ways AI can actually make your life easier so you finally get at least a day back each week. Let's start where most of our mayhem begins. At work. You feel like you can't get anything done. The truth is, you don't lack productivity, you lack clarity. That's where AI steps in. With contextual AI assistants like ClickUp Brain, you can instantly see what actually deserves your focus. It scans your calendar, your deadlines, even your past task and productivity patterns, and helps you decide what to tackle first. No more guessing, no more prioritization paralysis. And with features like AI fields and autofill task properties, the busy work disappears. Your task summaries, action items, and status updates all update automatically, so your day starts not with chaos, but with clarity. Of course, clarity doesn't last long. Not when your inbox looks like it's not been opened since 2017. Emails were meant to make life easier, but right now, they just add to the digital clutter. This is where AI becomes your personal gatekeeper. Tools like ClickUp help cut through the noise of work sprawl by bringing your emails, notifications, and projects into one converged AI workspace. You can send and receive email without leaving ClickUp, and also use ClickUp Brain to summarize long discussion threads, highlight key action items, and even write quick, context-aware replies from right where you're working. But emails are just one part of communication, right? Reports, updates, proposals, blog posts, everything depends on you finding the perfect words. And some days, that blinking cursor feels like it's mocking you. With ClickUp Brain's writing assistant, that's a thing of the past. It can brainstorm with you, take your ideas, and turn them into crisp, clear, well-written content. This helps you not only finish work 3 times faster, but also frees your time for deeper thinking. So the next time you hit writer's block, remember, ClickUp Brain is there for you. Now, you may be thinking, writing can be automated, but what about research? I still have to manually gather and verify the data for whatever I'm working on. Well, no you don't. ClickUp Brain MAX is the desktop AI super app built to be your intelligent research partner. It can not only fetch insights from your ClickUp workspace and connected apps, but also search the web for you and cite its sources. So when you ask, what are the latest SEO trends? Brain MAX shows what your team has already written or stored about it in ClickUp, plus the latest updates online. You get the full picture, external insights, internal knowledge, all in one place. With your research and writing partly automated, let's tackle the next big time sink. Meetings, because somehow half your week disappears inside them. Fun fact. ClickUp's research shows that 17% of people find meetings run too long and 10% feel they're mostly unnecessary. But AI can make meetings more productive too. Tools such as ClickUp's AI Notetaker auto-record and transcribe meetings so you can focus on participating in the discussion. The Notetaker even records action items, so it's easier to convert them into assignable ClickUp tasks after the meeting. Plus, with ClickUp's AI-powered calendar, your schedule organizes itself. It learns your productivity rhythm and auto-time blocks your focus periods and priority tasks around your meetings. If you work with a team, you know the real challenge is coordination. Who's doing what, when, and why? It's easy for things to slip through the cracks. That's why ClickUp AI Agents exist. They work quietly in the background, answering questions, building tasks, updating statuses when dependencies are complete, and keeping work in motion. So, you don't have to micromanage anyone anymore now, you can focus on momentum. You know, life isn't just about working and crushing those productivity metrics. It's also about creativity and spending time on hobbies. Whether you love designing, writing, gardening, crocheting, or you name it, you can turn to AI for tips. With ClickUp Brain, for example, you can try your hand at graphic design via its image generation abilities or brainstorm your next viral social media post for your small crocheting business. Being creative has never been easier. And when you finally make plans to take some time off, guess who's still helping out? AI. Planning a vacation, booking hotels, or finding the best flight deals can take hours. But AI assistants and agents can handle all that for you. The best part? You don't even need to type lengthy prompts. You can simply dictate them 4 times faster with voice typing tools like ClickUp's Talk to Text. Activate it inside the ClickUp Brain MAX desktop app, and you never have to worry about lost notes or mental clutter again. And finally, AI can be a literal lifesaver when it comes to our well-being. But you might think trusting AI for health sounds a bit risky. Of course, exercise caution and always verify any health advice that comes from AI. But if you simply want an assistant that tracks how you're taking care of your health, AI is great. With AI-powered templates, such as ClickUp's daily log template, you can track your workouts, meals, sleep, or mindfulness habits in one place and use ClickUp Brain to get suggestions for improvements. We just showed you 9 powerful ways you can use AI to upgrade your daily life. But what's the most powerful takeaway? You don't need the AI sprawl of hundreds of AI tools to do this. Only one that brings all leading AI models into one place. ClickUp Brain. It's the only AI assistant that connects to your work and personal apps, understands your context inside out, and can offer suggestions based on what works for your unique situation. Find it hard to believe? Try it for free at the link in the description and see for yourself how it makes everyday life 10 times simpler.